This is Jimmy Carter from Carter Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a little drill that we have some of our clients that want to get their first bodyweight pull-up to do. Now a lot of people when they first get up there, it feels really foreign and really hard just hanging from the bar alone, especially even with a band on. So what we'll have them do are we call them scapular retractions. So we'll literally just hang from the bar and start to get comfortable into that position. Okay, so what we usually do is we'll do 5 to 8 reps depending on their grip strength and how far along they are in the progression. We'll do like 2 or 3 sets and we just add it into their normal warm-up. So what you'll do is you'll physically hang from the bar. Here, we usually do a supinated grip if they're still working to get their first pull-up. This helps with bicep recruitment, so it's a little bit easier opposed to the harder grip. Then they're just pulling and teaching themselves how to retract their scapula downward while starting to control their lats and get them fired up. A lot of people, a big common mistake is a lot of people just pull with their arms, their biceps, everything like that. So this is going to teach them to kind of engage those lats, so it'll look like this. So they'll hang. All they're going to do is pull up just a little bit, keep their chin tucked, pull up, back down. We usually tell them, pull up to the point where they kind of hit the wall and it feels like it's a struggle to move their body any further. As they do it more and more, they'll be able to go up a little bit higher, and this drill just helps kind of engage those lats and get them to their first pull-up.